This looks like it's an extension of my hair. What's going on, you guys? Today I decided to get out of the house, take a drive, and go to Laguna Beach in California. And let me tell you, I have yet to see a big palm tree like that. And we're about to go get some food. We're on our way to find some food. Do y'all see the water? Oh, exciting. Really good night tie, yeah.
Okay.
We sold out of it on Saturday. It was
Okay, I'll do the same thing.
okay, so if you guys see this, oh, this looks so good. We stopped at a place called The Deck and totally didn't vlog before, but I got a quinoa salad, Brussels sprouts, and he got
Mahi sandwich.
mahi sandwich. Clearly he liked it. A lot of bread though. And you guys, look at this. So peaceful. It's like it's not even 70 degrees and it's so comfortable. I can't wait to show you like what we find. Success.
I ate so much food.
He's so full.
I'm obese.
And no,
So
you're not, first off.
Modeling career gone.
I'm super full. Ooh, look at this Audi, y'all. Look at this. That's super nice.
Post earrings. I'm taking 100 off on the bracelet, so we're going 75.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. And then the little necklace I'm going for you. Whole area there. It's just like a couple of the different suites up there, so we get a lot of time up there.
Well, spent some money, you guys. I saw art and I love art, so I had to go ahead and get a few little coasters that way I could have like a little bit of everything. And then I stumbled upon a little shop that it's like a mother-son type of deal where they make their own jewelry, and I love unique stuff, so a one of one is always great. And now we're just strolling down Laguna Beach, trying to find the beach so we can enjoy sunset. Hold on, I can't see it. So beautiful. I'm in love. Water's a little chilly though. But look at this, you guys. Mateo! Hello. That so fast.
So quick.
So quick. And it's what, maybe 5 o'clock
Around 5.
ish. So me and Mateo are going to get off the beach soon, and
It's freezing.
yeah, it's really cold. I don't know what we're going to find after this since it's dark. We'll see.